In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an OCO bracket order in Quantower. It is super easy to do. So I've seen a lot of tutorials that are not gonna say how to do this, so I simply thought, let's create one. So the first thing you need to do is open up Quantower like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to go over to the specific chart that you want to add this OCO bracket or OCO. From here, you'll need to go up here to show and hide quick trading toolbar. And then from here, you'll need to choose the specific account that you want to add this filling in. And from here, you'll need to go down to bracket mode and simply do simple. From here, you'll need to go down to stop loss and turn that on and choose the specific number that you want to add the stop loss to. And from here, you'll need to add a take profit right here and just add the same one right here. Once you do that, you'll simply need to go up to this mouse icon up here, where you'll be able to hold control to place the order. So let's hold control on our keyboard and just click on it. And then from here, you'll see buy, stop, this specific filter here, offset 8 ticks for account USD. And then you can just click OK, like so. And as you can see here, now it has been placed, the order. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya.